We woke up at 4 a.m. chasing a hidden waterfall in Northern California. And honestly, moments like this make the early mornings worth it. Don't go No?
No. My singing is that bad, huh? It must be. All right, we're on another epic adventure to find another waterfall, because that's what we do. But as always, our trips start first off with great company. Erica here.
And Anthony here.
Yeah, that's me. So, legend has it that you can hear her laugh echoing through the forest on hiking trails.
Nuh-uh.
So, I kind of believe it. So, she's famous for her laugh. So if you hear that laugh, you'll find us in the forest. All right, well, let's get it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Next, you got to stop here. This is the entrance down to the waterfall. Potem Falls. You can hear it.
Yep, sure can. See it in the distance there. Wow. This is pretty cool.
And here we are, Potem Falls. Freaking awesome. Yeah, get out and hike and get out and go to these things right here. This is amazing. I love it.
Moments like this remind me to slow down and reconnect with nature. We've got a lot more hidden places, road trips, and adventures coming in 2026. If you enjoy exploring California with us, hit subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for coming along.